We have our flight pens, 4 of which we use for the roosters. We have our scratch pens with horse manure and oak leaves in the bottom for them to scratch, which is a good solid working man's keep. Have my stupid dog running around to watch. We have 14 roosters in these scratches working. Where we bring our horse manure up. And we will go in here and look at some of the feeds that we use for our babies running in the pen there. Careful walk into the carport. Lay pellets and corn for our yard feed. And for the ones in the scratch pen our keep, we have this beautiful set of grains made by Bluebonnet. And for the ones that are closer to a fight day or show day, we use the wet blend. This is a good mixture of grains soaked in hot water and honey. This is it with wheat germ and alfalfa milk crunch and some raisins.